Want to know how to quickly grab your YouTube channel link so you can share with someone on mobile? Hello, it's Auret from Essetinomedia here, helping you create profitable content. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how to easily, really quickly, grab your YouTube channel link on your phone so that you could share it with someone, whether that's in a direct message or on social media platform or on WhatsApp. It's really simple to do, so let's get started. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go to your YouTube app. So in the YouTube app, I'm going to show you how to do it if you're logged into your channel or if you're not. So if you're logged in, all you need to do is click on your avatar image in the top right corner and then go to your channel. So on this page right here, all you need to do is click on the top right corner. There's three buttons or three dots there. And then you'll see it says share. So when you hit share, it brings up a menu. You can share it directly to any of your apps on here, or you could just copy the link. So I'm going to hit copy link. All right, so the link is copied, and I'm going to just open a note so you can see when I paste it. So I'm going to head over to my notes, and then I'm going to tap once. It's going to show me the paste option, and then when I hit paste, you'll see the YouTube channel link pasted in there. So you could do the same whether it's a WhatsApp message or in a direct message. Now let's head back to the YouTube app and I'll show you how to copy your channel link if you're not signed in. So let's pretend you have the YouTube app open, you're not signed in. Basically all you need to do is just look up your channel. Or you could do this for any channel. So if you're wanting to share the link to another channel, you could do that too. But I'm just going to go to the search icon here and search for our channel, Essetinomedia, and then I would just hit our channel over there. It'll open up the exact same page that we were on before. And then I'm going to hit the three dots there again and then hit share. So you don't actually need to be signed in to find those three dots option, and you can copy the link from wherever. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up to let YouTube know this is good content. And you can also head down to the description for more great resources to help you grow your YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.